Here's our guest room, so you can stay here. This is living room, so you can invite your friends and have some drink. And follow me. This is the bed, so you can sleep here. And here is a hot bed, so you don't have to get cold during the winter time. And when you get depressed or feeling bad, you need some exercise. So there is running machine and bicycle too. And Alec and I think you're a really great singer and good musician. So I really want you to keep playing music. So we prepared all the different instruments for you. So please do music too. And in case you want to write, you're a writer, right? Here is desk, so you can write something about Korea or Hongdae or whatever here. But one thing really important is you have to put some curtain here, so you wouldn't get bothered by pretty people around here. I mean pretty girls. So I think I told you all I have to explain about this place, but Alec and I live upstairs and sleep there, so whenever you need something, please go, Alec! Or Shine! Then we'll just come run down, okay? Have fun, sleep well.